Assalamu alaikum, Bacho. You are all doing well? Today we will discuss the relation between quadratic equation, roots. I hope you quadratic equation ka general form hota hai ax2 plus bx plus equals 0 and a must be ought equal to 0. And is equation ki roots hum alpha or beta lati hain. Find karne ke liye hum quadratic formula use karte hain. Alpha equal minus b plus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And beta is equal to minus b minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Ye formulas diktihen ki roots e coefficients abc par depend kartihen, sum of the roots, agarhum alpha and beta, kasum nikali to result hodahe alpha plus beta equals minus b divided by a. Ye result dikhadahe ki roots kasum minus b coefficient of x and a coefficient of x2. Ka ratio hai product of the roots. Similarly, agar hum roots ka product nikali, alpha beta equal to a divided by c, ye result dikhata hai ki roots ka product c constant term and a ka ratio hota hai. Let's see question. Given question is that if alpha and beta equation 3x square minus 2x plus equals 0, k roots hain to cos 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square, chi values find curry, ap, and y is equation k coefficients codikna hai, a equal to 3, b equals minus 2, and c equal to 4 hai. Mari pause two formulas hain, formula of sum of roots, and formula of product of roots, in co-use krk epni, alpha plus beta, alpha beta key values find kerni hai. Now, given equation become 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta by square is equal to abapny LCM, laina hai, LCM, ega alpha square, beta square, neominator my ega, beta square, plus dot alpha square, ab mari boss to just alpha plus beta, key value hai. Alpha square plus beta square, key value ni hai. Mari pass to alpha plus beta. Nani kda. Iska square complete kurti hain. Is latent alpha beta at b kurigai or subtract b. Yai mari pass complete square mari pass combine hai. And minus 2 alpha beta same as it is. Aga. Next. Apmai jo values find key the alpha beta key, will app as equation may put kerdane. Next AP values put krni k bod, square lean, and terms go individual. Simplify kari. Simplify krni k bod cutting kari, then you will get the answer. The answer of 1 by alpha square 3 plus 1 by beta square is minus 5 divided by 4. Let's see next part. Given question is that if alpha and beta m equation 3x square minus 2x 4 to 0, key roots hain to then alpha by beta plus beta by alpha, key values find curry, and ye will he values hain jo ny previous question may. Now given equation become alpha by beta plus beta by alpha is equal to abapny LCM lena LCM. Aga. Alpha beta. Neominator may aga beta square plus alpha square. Abamari boss to just alpha plus beta. Key value hai. Alpha square plus beta square key value ni hai. Mari boss to alpha plus beta nani him iska square complete kurtihain is kilium 2 alpha beta add b subtract b or subtract b. Yay mari boss complete square bingya hai. And minus 0.2 alpha beta same as it is. Ega, next APNYGO values find key the alpha beta key. Wo AP's equation may put ker dane. Next AP values put kerni k bod, square lane, and terms go individual. Simplify, clarify kerni k bad cutting kari. Then you will get the answer. The answer of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha is -5 divided by 3.